Hello everyone. Today's date is August 28th, 2021, Saturday, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the remodeled pavilion over here. That's a nice car. It's actually drizzling a little bit, but they have remodeled over here in 2021, which is pretty funny to say the very least, as I'll show you in a second. They have a thrift store over here, beauty supply, or beauty mart. This used to be a Chase Bank over here, but they closed down and remodeled, and now it's Mr. Krabs' hut, like Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob. Whoever named this restaurant is a SpongeBob fan. Let me show you their menu. Fried shrimp for $8.95, fried fish for $8.95, fried chicken for $8.95, fried oyster $9.95, fried lobster $14.95, crab meat po' boy $10.95, and the po' boy is served with Cajun, regular, or sweet potato fries. Pretty nice. And Mr. Krabs' hut is delivered with Grubhub. So it's Cajun seafood and bar. So one of the main reasons I came over here is because there's an address with 2021 on it, although it's a little dated and a little bit old, but it's a salon, but its address is 2021. Chinese food, which I ordered from here before. It was pretty good, but something happened. It's not so good anymore. $109 monthly braces. We have a dentist right here. Over here is a Publix grocery store. Also famous for their famous Publix sandwiches, or Publix Subway sandwiches, Publix sub sandwiches. And they are open on Labor Day. Great, man. Well, here we have a hair salon. Metro by T-Mobile. The foggy windows. A barber shop. Great, man. UPS store, a Golden Crust Caribbean bakery and grill. Looks pretty good. J Buffalo Wings. Okay, this is brand new here at 2051. Phone Depot. Phone Fix Computers, We Repair Sale. iPads, tablets, and iPods. This did not exist here before, so there you go. Follow us on Google. Cleaners, Shoe Repair and Alterations, 2055. And that is it. But they have actually remodeled this whole pavilion, so now I'm going to go ahead and walk outwards to show you the paint job they've done. Here's an external view again, where I just walked. A lot of traffic here. Not a lot of traffic, just a guy backing up and one waiting to turn. But here we go. Publix at Mount Zion. And the Publix Pavilion, I'm going to call it. Adjacent to the Morrow bus stop if you want to come get groceries and you live around here, or you just need to come grab something to eat or grab something from the grocery store. This is where you come to. But they have remodeled over here. At least externally they've remodeled. But there you go. They also have a Chipotle over here. A Chipotle Mexican grill. Across the street you have Truett's Chick-fil-A grill, which is pretty good. And directly across the street as well, we have a Panda Express, another computer and phone repair shop, and a braiding shop, or a braiding salon. Here is the Chipotle Mexican Grill, 2011. That is the address. But that's about it. You have a T-Mobile over here. And Peachtree Immediate Care, Emory Healthcare Network. There's T-Mobile, 2007. See, 𝐻𝐵𝐺𝐻 Tile and Stone, I think that's how you pronounce it. And that's going to bring this video to a close. If you like that little quick walkthrough of Publix's, or the Publix at Mount Zion Pavilion, I'm going to call it, please smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, everyone.